there are three reasons. I'm giving three reasons why your internet may be slow in a bit.
We are there, you hear someone say, oh, Charlie, my internet has son. How did your internet get finished? Please, when your friends give you hotspot for your Wi-Fi, please, we beg you. Some of you, the apps on your phone.
If I turned off data for WhatsApp, I'll not be getting those notifications, and that data will not be going.
And that also begs the question, why do you think using the Wi-Fi is faster than using your mobile phone for data? If you haven't turned off your background refresh, the apps refresh your background, it's going to keep drinking your bundle.
If I use TikTok, and I use WhatsApp, which one they pull more data?
Like for instance, if you go like the Dirty December,
Dirty Rave.
Right? So there are a lot of people there. So you restrict stuff, they go.
No, talking about the history of the internet. Okay. In the 1960s, that was when the internet came about. It was part of a project for the US military called APRANET.
So they did some.
I'll be warlord.
But you know, say look you, bro. It's the way they talk about it.
You know, say the internet no be cloud. Like, actually no be cloud. It be fiber optic cables.
That's why the shark go chew them that
as
time.
The
MTN messed up.
Yeah. Say it this way. Do you think MTN buys the bundle or they get the bundle? I don't know if
they get it. They don't. It's someone else.
They forget that it is the internet and there are servers everywhere. So by this time, maybe the video I'm watching, the Shatawale video I'm watching, it's not like Shatawale has sent the video to your phone through TikTok and I'm watching. No, they upload it. Then you guys pull that data from the server. Now the phones to get them a limit of the internet they go for use.
Yeah.
You bob. So let's say I did on some 4G phone, we did on some 3G phone like your Techno or the one that they used before. Then we buy the same internet, they watch the same videos. Who in data will go?
So for techno users and every other Android from I think the Android 12 upwards,
that one
you can set the bundle limit.
The bundle limit. Say if you reach 2 gig, Sean they work. Dear customer, you've used 80% of your data bundle allocation. Most of us, we see this message, then we vex. Why? Because we buy bundle 8 gig in the morning, we finish this evening. This is the problem we are coming to discuss and see the solutions to it. My name is Dominic and I'm
here with Abraham, and we'll see why sometimes in the mornings, maybe like from 8 a.m. to somewhere around 12 noon, your internet can be sometimes really slow, and then midnight, like as the night owls, we can be moving at insane speeds even on telecell. So we're going to look at that today.
Today's topic is how the internet works, basically. So basically, like basic, like you're teaching a donkey. What is the internet?
So the internet, as you said, but I'm not going to repeat what you talk. The internet is just a connection of computers all over the world. So your phone, in a sense, becomes a computer.
It's part of the internet.
Them communicating is what makes up the entire internet. So when we are there, you hear someone say, oh, Charlie, my internet has son. How did your internet get finished? Because normal is like me and you, they talk, then go tell me, say,
my voice finished.
You know they make any sense.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Exactly. But you know, there's a fun fact here, talking about the history of the internet. Okay. Yeah. In the 1960s, that was when the internet came about. It was part of a project for the US military called APRANET.
So they did some.
I'll be warlord.
But you know, say look you, bro. It's the way they talk about it. Okay,
so
continue.
what happened was they created this network of computers to be able to communicate even during bomb explosions and stuff. Okay. Then fast forward in the 1990s, the WWW came, the World Wide Web came. That's what gave the general population access to the internet, not just the military. And in Ghana, I think in the early 2000s, that was when we got internet in Ghana, and here we are now in 2026.
But when it comes to the internet like this, for instance, Ghana as a country, I'm not going to talk about the whole Africa. We day back, wow.
Our 4G is not 4G, but type shit.
Like, very real. Like, because some people are moving at insane speeds and at
China 5G.
5Gs and stuff, and we are still stuck on. People are still even using 3G. You go fit take somebody instead of the person that use 3G.
I thought it go with 3G. Then go talk 4G, but I go see H+.
H+. Bro, that man techno. Bro. Charlie?
That'd be crazy. So like that's one of the things they vex me. But yeah, one thing people know be saying, say the internet no be cloud. Like actually no be cloud.
Yeah.
It be fiber optic cables.
That's why the shark go chew that
as
time.
the MTN,
The MTN messed up.
Yeah. As who come Ghana say that thing happen? Kai Sinat.
Yeah, Kai.
Yeah. So what happened was what happens is they just connected these computers with these big fiber optic cables under the sea.
Yeah.
Then comes to our shores. Then we have middlemen. This is the MTN and whatever. What they'll do is they'll just set up cell towers and connect this to the cell towers, and we have sometimes micro connections and stuff. Then this is going to now send the network across for you to get internet access. So sometimes when there is a very large program like Venice Encra, and we have concerts and church convention, they will send portable ones over there because a lot of people cause the network to go slow.
You do like putting, let's say, a school bag, for instance. The school bag in this case is our network carrier.
Exactly.
And you are putting so many books inside. At a point, it's going to get torn or weary and you cannot use it as much, right?
Yeah.
So everyone gets the amount of load it go fit carry. So there's a load cap to which they can carry, right?
Yeah,
so
exactly.
If there's too much load, you can go to a place and it's so congested. Like for instance, if you go like the Dirty December,
Dirty Rave.
Right? So there are a lot of people there. So in the strict stuff, they go.
No go.
Because there are so many people on the network.
Yeah.
So to an extent, it's not MTN's fault because that's why I said that's why it's not MTN's fault because there are so many people there
on the network.
Right?
So that was saying that what people do, what these telcos will do is they'll bring their portable cell towers to the place so people can just connect to that one
instead
causing a whole lot of on the other cell towers. And one funny thing, MTN buys the bundle or they get the bundle. I don't know if
they get it. They don't buy it. They're not going to buy 100 terabytes of data. No, they have the access to it.
That is the thing. They buy the access.
Yes, they have access, and we also buy access from them. So it's like there's a middleman.
For a middleman. Yes. Right? And you know that people know we middlemen. AT&T, Google, Meta, they own the cables. They own the internet, so they know they actually middlemen.
Big men, for instance, let's say someone like NASA.
NASA, yeah.
People think NASA does satellites, but NASA doesn't do satellites. NASA also does undersea cables.
Oh, yeah. All the internet be underground.
They do undersea cables, and their speed is, last I checked, was 91 gigabits a second. That's over 13,000 times our speed.
Are we going to take pool GTA 2 seconds or 2 seconds?
91 gigabits in a second.
That'd be crazy.
That's absurd speeds, right?
But I know, say, if you buy that thing, you will spend a lot of money on them.
They've made it expensive for us.
Probably.
Right? Because
business is business, isn't it?
Business is business. If it was subscription based, let's say like the broadband. Or even the MTN monthly one, 399 CDs for the 214 gig. That one is cheap. It's not as cheap.
Not as cheap, but it's okay. It's very cheap, okay. Very okay.
So those they can make it cheaper for you because you are buying access. Because let's say I have access to an entire building. Everything in the building now belongs to me. I can decide how I'm going to let anyone enter.
And now they sell that access to you small called megabytes.
Then they sell them small. So then they go
near you. So let's say if they buy the access now, they can't give you the door, make you enter. That be the hour.
I decide how you're going to enter.
Exactly. So now I go price you for entering using the internet.
Yes.
That's also trickles down to if I use TikTok.
Yeah.
And I use WhatsApp. Which one they pull more data?
Oh, TikTok.
Why they pull more data?
It's the stuff you're watching, the content you're watching. For instance, so TikTok is giving you videos, lots of videos in high qualities.
High quality. You go set them to local. If you not get better bundle, or if you don't want to use a lot of bundle, you can use the TikTok Lite.
So TikTok does in higher qualities. Sending messages on WhatsApp is in kilobits. Very, very small.
Very small.
They're very small. So as for that, you can keep doing your WhatsApp for a very...
can use the WhatsApp for a long time.
You can use one megabyte save for like 20 seconds, for like 10 minutes, right? Because it's in kilobits.
Just they send kilobits.
Yes, right?
But if they watch the
TikTok is videos. High quality videos. Me like this, if I upload video I use Ultra HD. Because I don't want my videos to look bad or bad, right? So it's in videos. And it's like you're connected to other people's networks and you're just keep watching videos on end. It's bro.
And some also think that if they are watching a TikTok video, the video is in their phone and they are watching it.
No. It's someone else's.
They forget that it is the internet and there are servers everywhere. So by this time, maybe the video you are watching, a Shatawale video you are watching, it's not like Shatawale has sent a video to your phone through TikTok and are watching. No, they upload it. Then you guys pull that data from the server.
Yeah.
I don't know if they buy, but yeah, you just pull that data from the server. You don't take Shatawale's phone and like Bluetooth, no.
Yeah, but that also begs the question: why do you think using the Wi-Fi is faster than using your mobile phone for data?
Why do I think using a Wi-Fi is faster than using a mobile phone for data? Okay, so make we take Wi-Fi. How is the Wi-Fi connected?
So let's say you're using a broadband, the fiber broadband.
Fiber broadband is more of the cable, right?
Yeah, the cable.
And now my phone is now going to look for wireless signals and stuff. Cable and wireless, which one is faster?
Oh, every time cable is faster.
Cable is faster, even if you are aside the wireless charging.
Yeah.
Cable is faster. So if you are plugged in or you are connected with the Ethernet, even in our normal surrounding here, those with the internet cable and those with the Wi-Fi, the internet cable is more faster than the Wi-Fi because of the amount of data it is carrying. Transferring. Okay. So basically, that would be the whole like concept for that one. I have a question. A very nice question. Your phone.
Yeah.
You know, some of the phones to get them a limit of the internet they go for use.
Yeah.
You bob. So let's say are they on some 4G phone, they on some 3G phone like your Techno or the one that they used before. Then we buy the same internet, they watch the same videos. Who in data will go fast?
Your data will go fast.
That's why people they cry say ice chop bundle. You
bob. They chop because of the quality it's giving you.
Exactly.
It's value for your money, but it's because of the speed and everything is giving you. So obviously you go chop. If you haven't turned off your background refresh, the apps refresh your background, it's going to keep drinking your bundle. Some of you, the apps on your phone, because of the app you are using, the absorption rate of your data is going to skyrocket. If you are using WhatsApp, obviously it's not going to take too much. TikTok takes a lot, but it's not going to take too much. Instagram, same thing. Some people are always on TikTok. That's their life.
A lot of I don't want to say females, but a lot of females are on TikTok.
It is what it is. You are there. We are not saying don't be there, but don't use it and
some people it's their business. Some of them business
but like put stuff, content creators aside, like the random user.
Content creators like Showboy.
Or
musician.
If you musician, don't.
If you content, your man they live every time, but you I don't know the band they buy.
Musicians create content for us. The music is content. So like, I feel people should know how your apps are going to take from you. Your app permissions are also there for you to be able to know what exactly your app is going to take from you. And then you're able to know that, okay, this is also a reason why I'm using too much on bundle.
This one. Yeah. Because sometimes they don't know they can turn off the data to the app.
Yeah, you can even set a limit.
A limit for it.
For how much data you are using.
I'm there right now. Right now, my phone is just doing ping because I just got notifications. Yeah. If I turned off data for WhatsApp, I'll not be getting those notifications and that data will not be going.
Yes.
You get it? Same for Snapchat, same for TikTok. So you have to be just turning those things off.
Even on Android, you can set the data limits on the phone. So you go to your settings.
They kind of Android, I beg.
So for Techno users and every other Android from I think the Android 12 upwards,
that one
you can set the bundle limit.
The bundle limit. Say if you reach 2 gig, shun the work.
As users, okay, when we get the option, we should switch to Wi-Fi networks.
Because it's very cheap too. Wi-Fi is cheap.
But Wi-Fi is not free internet.
Oh no, it's not.
That's one thing people have to know, because somebody, if you give them, Charlie, you go free use my Wi-Fi.
Then if you guys be free,
the person thinks it's free internet, like it's unlimited.
That way they go updating games then things.
You buy, and so maybe I buy like 50 gig. Then you come and be updating games worth like 20 gig and stuff like that.
Some people can update in COD, updating. Or some of the phones, if you just connect to Wi-Fi, go start to run updates.
In OS, everything. It's not free internet. It's not unlimited internet.
Wi-Fi and router. Is there a difference?
Wi-Fi is just sharing network. Router is what gives you the access. So the router is the device that you have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the Wi-Fi is the sharing of the networks that you have, right? So Wi-Fi and router are two
different things.
Router is
the device and Wi-Fi is the network.
Yes.
Basically wireless fidelity.
Wireless fidelity. So that's basically it.
And one thing about router is router routes the internet to you.
Yeah.
Like basically the name router. So maybe if we dey one house where mommy they use TikTok, where they watch YouTube, it go route the traffic in such a way that the TikTok you will come inside where the
YouTube,
whilst go slow down the internet.
Yeah.
That be the whole thing.
Yeah, and that's one good thing. Now back to what you are saying. You see, router is in a household.
Exactly.
So the load is less.
It's less.
When you are connected to MTN is nationwide. Okay, on cell towers. Okay,
Yeah.
on the towers, okay. So on every tower, you cannot tell me it's only 5 people on a tower at a time. But in a house, you can have 5 people on a network. But on a tower, you can have upwards of 1,000 people on a network. So that's why sometimes your networks can be very slow. And when it's midnight, that we there will be up using torrent and stuff to download our movies. That's where we get faster internet.
Okay. There are 3 reasons. I'm giving 3 reasons why your internet may be slow in a bit. I think one is going to be the traffic on the internet at that particular time on the network, on the specific network.
Yeah.
Second one is going to be your distance from the cell towers. If you live in a remote area that is not closer to city, most of these telcos build their towers in cities. Okay, yeah. So if you are not closer to that place, you're not going to get the internet, and not even internet network basically. And also if you are in buildings with thick walls, you're not going to get the internet. And the bonus one, the kind of phone you are using, not going to get internet. If you are using XR and
the hit for XR,
if you are using XR, I don't think you'll be able to do a lot. How do you make our internet faster?
How do you make your internet faster?
Talking about how it slows down, how do you make it faster?
Always limit your background app.
The ones that are in the background. Okay.
Those things also slow down your internet. Another thing is that when you're using a router, you can reset, you can reboot it.
Yeah.
Then you can also increase your speeds for that. And also buy plenty data sometimes. Sometimes you're running because your data is small.
All right, so let me add some point to it. So you can basically stay in an area with internet access. Some people, there are some areas Vodafone is not good over there. Also, you could use a router or those pocket Wi-Fi's if you are walking around to actually boost your internet connectivity.
So till next time, always make sure that you have proper access to network. Free Wi-Fi is not free internet or it's not unlimited
internet.
Data. Please, when your friends give you hotspot for a Wi-Fi, please, we beg you, use small. Thank you.